Hello boys and girls, my name is Miss Stephanie and I'm the Children's Librarian at the Greenwich branch of the Gloucester County Library System, and welcome to my STEM video today. So this is our last week of summer reading and our theme was Imagine Your Story. So we are celebrating community heroes and any kind of hero that you guys have in your life. So what we're going to do is make a thank you card, but we're going to make it a pop-up thank you card just to be extra cool. So I'm going to show you two different ways to make a pop-up card. One is a little bit easier than the other, but they're both fairly easy. What you'll need is some construction paper like I have here, and scissors, glue or tape. So I have both, glue or tape. And then anything you want to decorate your card with. So markers, I've used glitter here. I have crayons. I've used some different color cotton balls. I have stickers, ribbon, whatever you guys want to do. So first thing to do is to kind of have a design in your head of what you want it to say. So I have two separate ones here. I have one that says you are a star, in which the star, when you open it, it pops out. Okay, and then I have this one that says roses are red, violets are blue. We wrote this card to say thank you, and it pops up with the words thank you. Okay, so I'll show you how to do both of them. So the first thing you're going to want to do, we're going to do this one first, the red one. Okay, so you're going to take a piece of construction paper and fold it in half. It can be any kind of paper. I have construction paper, but if you just have computer paper, that's fine too. Okay, so now that you fold it in half, you're going to locate the seam, okay? So the seam is where the paper is folded. And we're going to make two cuts parallel to each other or side by side. So it looks like this, okay? And then on either side of those cuts, you're going to make just a little bit smaller so the lines will be closer together. Okay, so you should have a couple little, it should kind of look like this. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is open it up, and you can see them in here. So what you're going to do at the seam, you're going to push the seam forward so it stands up like this. Okay, so what I did is I pushed it forward until it bent in the other direction. Okay, just like that. So now what I want you to do, oops, let's fix that one. We're going to fold the piece of paper like this and smash it down so when you open it, it will pop up like that. Okay, that's the first one. Now, after you've done this part, the next part is decorating it. So however you want to decorate it is up to you. So if you wanted to write thank you or something on it, so when it pops up, it shows everything, you're going to glue or tape everything to these three tabs that we have. So it's going to be on the front here, not up top, on the front, okay? Because when you open it up, they're going to pop up like this. So mine are glued right here. And I basically just had some different paper, wrote thank you, and then just taped them there, okay? You can do whatever you want on the front. Like I said, all of this creativity is up to you. So that's one way to do it. Now, another way to do it is to have a different piece of paper be the pop-up itself. So this one says you are a star. So my star is the pop-up, not the card, okay? So you're going to have a separate piece of paper for your for the second card that we're doing. So you're going to need two pieces of paper for this. So if you wanted to do a star, fold your paper in half. Okay, and to the best of your ability, cut out half a star on the seam, and I'll show you why. Okay, so now when you cut out on the seam, you open it, it's a star. okay? So now that you have it here, what you're going to do is then put tape on these two ends, and you're going to tape it to your paper, okay? And then once you tape it to the paper, you're going to want to smash it like this so it stays open. So it opens just like that, okay? Now it might bend the sides like this, and that's okay, because the effect is really cool. And then after you do that, you can decorate the inside however you like. I have stickers, I have ribbons. I obviously use some glitter and glue here. And you don't have to do a star. If you wanted to do the words thank you, you can write out thank you, cut around the words, and tape the ends to the two sides of the paper. So whatever you end up cutting out, tape one side here and one side here, and then fold it in half. And it should just open, whatever you choose to do, okay? And so when you're done doing your thank you cards, give them to someone that you view as a hero, someone that has really helped you during this time, or someone who has helped a lot of people during this time. It could be your mom, your dad, it could be a male person, it could be someone that works in healthcare, it could be somebody that helps the community, like police officers or firefighters. It is up to you. And if you would like to share a picture of it with us, you can always tag us on Facebook or on Instagram, and we'd love to see it. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye!